guys, we're back. Well, it's been 24 hours and this little guy's nice and hard here. Nice and solid. So, let's demold them. Let's try and demold them. There we go. Alright. This guy here, remember, I went with broken seashells inside instead of glitter this time. Something different, change it up. Sometimes this guy can be a pain in the butt to get out of this mold. Don't know why. There we go. Really like the way the colors turned out on this. I used a two-tone mica powder from Let's Resin. There we go. Got a little bit of over pour here, but we'll just take that stuff out real fast. Alright. So we got some bubbles up in his chin. That happens. And remember, I also put googly eyes on this guy. I completely forgot about that. So I have no idea what he's going to look like. So, alright, here we go. Oh, I'm surprised at how well he turned out. He's got his little googly eyes going on. So that's the final project. Let's zoom in here for you. So you can get a better view on this guy. I think the googly eyes turned out pretty good. I'm surprised at how well they worked. I got one little air pocket here. I guess, you know, we could just put some UV resin in there if we want to fill it up. But yeah. Kind of has a beach feel, which that's what I was going for. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, share. I have other videos with different frogs. I have some geckos and other things that I've made. So please subscribe and watch my other videos. And big shout out to all of my members that have bought me a coffee. Without you guys, none of this would be possible. So yeah, until the next one, have a good day.